Hello everyone, my name is Deepanshu Sharma and I'm first year student from NITI. I'm here to talk about the concepts and applications of subject Principles of Management, which was taught to us in our first module by Professor Mr. T. Prasad, also called as Dr. Mandi. The course doesn't follow the regular pattern of textbook teaching as a professor preferred application and blog-based approach to the subject, making it interesting as well as enlightening in terms of learning. Through this course, we explored various facets of management through practical examples which helped us build a strong foundation in understanding the subject. During our very first session, we were introduced to the valley crossing concept, which comprised a step-by-step process of crossing the valley. Through this concept, we were introduced to the roles of manager who has been assigned the task of helping the three people crossing a valley. The process involved roles and responsibilities, competencies, principles of cooperation and teamwork, work distribution, various kinds of skills such as conceptual, human, technical skills are basic functions comprising an organization in general. Limitations as a manager were discussed and several methods were suggested as a solution for the valley crossing task. Next was the tower building exercise using square blocks. We were asked to set a goal of the number of blocks we will be able to place before the structure falls down. We had to put each block on the top of the other with just one hand, and that too our wrong hand. This is the goal setting activity of the exercise where individuals set the target of number of blocks based on their perception of the activity. A student was randomly chosen who had himself set the target as 10. The student performed the exercise and the height achieved was 17 blocks. In this exercise, we were introduced to the concepts of different types of performances for accomplishing goals and categorizing people based on their performance as backfolders, maintainers, progressive minds. Further, we were introduced to the main drivers of any organization, which are efficiency and effectiveness, which together contribute to overall excellence of an organization. These terms were more clearly understood with the help of tower building exercise. Then, we came across the concept of theory X and theory Y, managers and various scenarios which occur under these two kinds of management practices. Our Professor Mr. Prasad gave us the opportunity to share our work experience in order to relate it to discuss scenarios of theory X and Y and attaining clarity and understanding. We are also exposed to problem solving and creativity exercises with the ring toy puzzle available in NITI campus, which help us in understanding the simple and systematic approach to solving any kind of complex problem. Also, the human tower exercise, which was performed by us students, made us realize how important are the foundations of any organization in terms of strength and commitment. Our professor asked us to do research and write a case study about any company of our liking and discuss about the company's products, markets, customers, vision, mission, goals, various HR policies, history, work culture and SWOT analysis. I did my case study on Deutsche Bank since we felt it can serve as a good example for understanding principle of management as a subject. I was also given the opportunity to write a blog on my company, Web Peripherals Limited, culture, where I mentioned about the various scenarios that I came across while I was working that contributed to my growth in my career and helped me gain valuable experiences as an individual. Finally, our Professor Mr. Prasad showed us a video on 3 Chinese monks, which focused on productivity and teamwork. It also enlightened us with the various work methods and planning required in order to accomplish a task, as well as the importance of innovation in the world of management. The video also helped us in understanding and analyzing the method to tackle deviant human behavior effectively and to design work process accordingly. Overall, we had a great learning exposure and opportunity to learn about principles of management through this innovative method of teaching followed by our professor Dr. Prasad, also called as Mandi. The best thing about the course is that we got to learn a lot of things which a successful manager should know in a way which is so enjoyable. Instead of creating pressure, this course was like a stress buster. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Professor Prasad to teach us in the most creative way that most of us have come across. Thank you.
हो गया